The three-row SUV game just got serious because Toyota's 2026 Grand Highlander isn't just another family hauler, it's a full-size powerhouse that blends versatility, refinement, and performance in a way few SUVs in its class can. If you've been searching for a vehicle that can do it all, carry 8 people, conquer bad weather, and sip fuel instead of guzzling it, this might just be your next ride. But wait until you hear about the hybrid powertrains, the comfort-packed interior, and the tech Toyota's thrown in. Let's dive in, because this one's built to impress. Welcome to Gravity Automotive. At first glance, the 2026 Grand Highlander looks exactly like what it's meant to be, a stretched, more muscular version of the popular Highlander. It carries that familiar Toyota design DNA, bold grille, chiseled lines, and a confident stance, but with a stronger, more squared-off shape that gives it presence. You'll immediately notice the sculpted hood, wide LED headlights, and clean side profile that make it look both elegant and assertive. It's not trying too hard. It's just big, comfortable, and clearly ready for anything. Step inside and you're greeted by one of the most spacious and practical interiors Toyota has ever created. The Grand Highlander's cabin is built with families in mind, offering generous legroom across all 3 rows, premium materials throughout, and more cup holders and USB ports than most people will ever need. Whether it's a quick grocery run or a road trip across the country, this interior was designed to keep everyone comfortable and connected. The dashboard is dominated by a crisp 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, intuitive and quick to respond, paired with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Even the base LE trim comes surprisingly well equipped with a wireless charging pad, 7 USB-C ports, power-adjustable front seats, and tri-zone climate control. And Toyota didn't stop there. The higher trims like the Limited and Platinum crank up the luxury with soft leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, a foot-activated power liftgate, and a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. An 11-speaker JBL audio system delivers clear, rich sound throughout the cabin, making every trip feel like a private concert. And if you go for the second-row captain's chairs, you'll find yourself in true comfort, with generous space to stretch and easy access to the 3rd row. Under the hood, the 2026 Grand Highlander offers 3 powertrains, each tailored to a different type of driver. The base engine is a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, confident, and provides enough muscle for daily driving and highway cruising. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but Toyota's all-wheel drive system is available for those who want extra grip in bad weather. In testing, this setup takes the Grand Highlander from 0 to 60 in 8.3 seconds. Steady and predictable, perfect for family duty. But for those who crave efficiency, Toyota offers the Grand Highlander Hybrid. This setup combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors for a total of 245 horsepower. It's not just about saving fuel, it actually gets up to speed faster than the gas-only model, hitting 60 in around 7.5 seconds. With available all-wheel drive and outstanding fuel economy, expected to hover around the high 30s combined, it's the ideal balance of performance and practicality. And there's the one that steals the show, the Grand Highlander Hybrid Max. This beast uses the same turbocharged 2.4-liter engine, but pairs it with powerful electric motors for a combined 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just 5.9 seconds, sports sedan territory. For a big family SUV with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, the Hybrid Max is both thrilling and composed, offering instant torque and a smooth surge of power that makes passing and merging effortless. It's a perfect example of Toyota's engineering know-how, mixing hybrid efficiency with serious performance.
Fuel economy depends on your choice, but Toyota expects the gas model to stay close to the EPA's 20 to 28 miles per gallon range depending on configuration, translating to a driving range between 392 and 427 miles. Hybrids, of course, extend that even further, making long trips easier and gas station stops fewer. Every 2026 Grand Highlander also comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, one of the most advanced safety tech packages in the industry. It includes front automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic high beams, and even road sign recognition. It's all about keeping you confident and protected no matter where you drive. Pricing for the 2026 Grand Highlander starts around $43,000 for the base LE, with all-wheel drive adding about $1,600. Hybrid Limited sits around $54,000, offering more power, more features, and better fuel economy. If you want it all, the performance, the tech, the comfort, the Hybrid Max Platinum trim tops the lineup, offering luxury SUV vibes at a fraction of the cost of European competitors. On the road, the Grand Highlander feels composed and stable. Steering is light but precise, the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and the cabin stays whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Whether you're tackling city traffic or long-distance highway drives, it's smooth, calm, and always feels solidly built. Toyota has tuned this SUV for family comfort first, but the Hybrid Max shows that it can also deliver a surprisingly fun drive when you push it. So if you're in the market for a family SUV that's big, comfortable, safe, and smart, with enough choices to match your lifestyle, the 2026 Grand Highlander deserves to be at the top of your list. Proof that practicality and excitement can coexist beautifully in one package. For more in-depth car reviews, first looks, and performance breakdowns, make sure to hit subscribe and join us here at Gravity Automotive, your home for everything on four wheels.